Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport Australia Speed. Today we've got one of our customers. He's done a bit of a resto on his VE. He's got the interior done and a few things, and we did a rebuild on a motor. Probably could have needed a few better parts, but anyway, we've stepped things along the way, and now we've got a Procharger. And this is really good. That's the new model D1X. Capable of well over 1,000 at the crankshaft. I think it's around about 1200. We won't be doing with this one, but it's probably they're different superchargers, but it fits in the range between a 2300 and a 2650. It is a 6 litre. It has got a stonking big TK, so these things work well with a TK, and probably the TKs we'll want to keep on zinging as well. So yeah, we've done a good job with it, all blacked out, all the coil covers, as you can see. So it's a different look, it's different taste, horses for courses, and he's done the interior up as well. It's got the big middle screen. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So what we'll do is, we do a lot of Harrop stuff. We're a Harrop dealer, we're a Procharger dealer. At the end of the day, we don't, as I said, discriminate. If you want a Harrop, let's get a Harrop. If you want a Procharger, let's do a Procharger. They are different. The Harrop has more mid-range punch. The later Harrops, 2650, and the new ports are moving with their top end as well. So it's a pretty cool market that we're currently in, that you've got a lot of options. So what we'll do is we'll run it up. It is a 6 litre. It does only have standard pistons and rods in it, so we don't want to go too far, but that thing on the side is capable of creating a bit of air. So it's got our CNC heads on it and the famous TK camshaft. So let's hit the rolls and show what it can do. Okay, as you can see, that thing was trucking hardcore. We've shut it off. I think the revs are a little bit more than that. I think our RPM lead, we'll have a look. Yeah, 6,800, so the RPM lead, I think, might have had a little bit of a misread there. And 10.5 pounds of boost, that's all we want to go. It's got stock rods and pistons in it, so we don't want to push it any more. As I said, the way that thing's trucking along, it'd probably make 750, 800 rear wheel horsepower very, very easily. And I think if we wanted to stand on it with a forged bottom end and everything else, it would be probably capable of 900 to nearly even 1,000 rear wheel. So I'm sure Shaun will be happy with his car, his project on the way. Guys, we have a lot of solutions here. As I said, we got the Procharger, we have our CNC heads. You can do it your way. He chose to go the Procharger with the black edition. We can run a Harrop, 2650, 2300. Either way, we all love boost, we all like to go fast.